Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Xcode and command line tools and get the app. IPA or App Store reference. Make sure you know the device iOS version and developer team ID so signatures line up. Once tools are ready, extract the IPA or download the app binary and list embedded provisioning and entitlements. This initial pass finds obvious mismatches fast, so you can move directly into signature and hash verification. Once done extracting the app, inspect info. List for bundle identifier and version, then read embedded. Mobile provision to confirm provisioning and team ID. Run codesign dv verbose equals 4 to reveal signing certificate, entitlements, and code directory hashes. Make sure the certificate chain is trusted. Use sbctl assess to validate gatekeeper-style assessment, and compute SHA-256 on the main executable to detect tampering. As you proceed, finish by reconciling everything. Make sure bundle ID, entitlements, team ID, and signature timestamp match your expectations. Install on a test device while watching device console logs for provisioning or code signing errors, and run a verification pass with sbctl and codesign after install. If something fails, the quickest fix is to reobtain the original signed binary from the developer or reinstall from the App Store. If you signed yourself, regenerate provisioning and sign again. Important troubleshooting tip: when results conflict, check certificate trust chains first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.